up guys, Matt here as always. Today I'm starting the vlog a little bit different. I want to talk about something that I was looking for a while when I was doing my project, and I didn't find anything, which is the price and how much it costs to lift your truck, especially the Colorado, right? We're gonna talk about that. I have to show you guys this. I'm in a parking lot. I'm leaving work now. Next to me there's a Dodge Ram, and if you wanna follow me on Instagram, you were missing that because I just posted a picture. On Instagram with both trucks, and I want to get an opportunity to show you guys the difference between both. I'm still in a work environment kind of thing, but who cares? There you have it, guys. That's the size of my truck with a Dodge. My truck is parking further back, so that's why it's kind of weird, but I think it's a little bit higher though. The cab maybe it's higher a little bit, but yeah. So yeah, don't make fun of a Dodge, alright? Never make fun of a Dodge, because I love my Chevy. Alright, so what are we gonna do today? Again, welcome to the vlog if you're here for the first time. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm gonna talk about, it's a different environment as you see, but I was like, you know, I always have the camera with me, and just the fact I had a Dodge park next to me, I was like, you know, let's make some comparison. I love you guys. Even if you have a Dodge, I love you. I really like Dodge. Cannot say the same about Fords, but regardless, I got a lot of questions how much I spend with my truck, especially with the lift kit and the wheels and everything else. All right, so let me see if I can find that park spot, and we're gonna talk about money. Today I want to talk to you guys about the lift kit and how much it costs, because I think I'm really afraid that this thing is not gonna work because it's so windy. The one thing I didn't find when I was looking was somebody that was willing to post something really honest about how much costs and all the costs involved to get your truck lift, and also the wheels and tires and everything. All right, so keep in mind one thing I need to mention before we start talking about it, right? You have many different options for different lift kits and also for different wheels and tires. So if you are looking for something, just keep in mind the kind of things I bought it, as far as lift kit goes and as far size of the wheels as well, because that's really important, right? So before we start, it's so funny because I always talk about it and people still have questions about. So I'm running a Rough Country lift kit, 6-inch lift kit. I bought straight from the Rough Country website. You guys will see here, the only thing I got the upgrade shocks, which sometimes, and by the time I bought my kit, Rough Country was offering for like kind of a discount or sell, whatever you want to call that, and that's a Rough Country 6-inch lift kit with the special shock, which it's more comfortable than the stock one, whatever. Just keep that in mind. So my wheels, as you guys can see, it's 20/12 -44 offset, and the tires are Needle Ridge Grappler 33/12.5. So just keep that in mind as we talk about price of this stuff, right? So if you're going for smaller wheels, you're probably gonna pay less. But if you want a bigger wheels or bigger tires, you just have to think about that and just have to think you're gonna pay more, right? I just want to make sure you guys understand that, because as much as I talk about, since I got the lift, I always said the size of the wheels and tires and the size of the lift, and I still get questions about it. So I just want to make sure you guys know what we are talking about here. Let's talk about price, right? I really hope it's not gonna start raining now. All right, before we start, lift kits, they can go from $1,000 to up to whatever you want to spend. I think the most expensive one for Colorado is like $4 grand, $3.5 grand. So just keep that in mind, and it started raining, so that just messed up my video right here. I will try to finish the video before the rain comes. So just keep that in mind about the lift kit. I went to Rough Country. I bought it straight from Rough Country website. I can't do that. It's raining.
It'll start raining in the afternoon today.
See? It's raining. So we probably have to finish this inside of the truck. All right, guys, I apologize because it's raining, as you guys can see. I cannot go. I mean, I'm waiting to pick it up my wife, which she's like kind of half hour from here. So it's not even worth to go home and drive back. We're gonna finish inside of the truck, all right? If the noise of the rain, let us do it, because that's awful. You know what? I think I got an idea.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, boys, I had to change my plans, so I'm back home and we're gonna do it at home. So I was planning to do something really different, but well, it is what it is. We have to do what we have to do. So I'm gonna put you guys on a tripod and we're gonna talk about cost. So I tried to do something different, didn't work out, but at least it's not that cold. I mean, it's perfect. 71 degrees. I'm not, you know, you can see probably for the longest time I'm not wearing a hoodie or some kind of jacket in here. So anyway, let's take from where I stopped. I was talking about the lift kit and how much that costs. But before, I just want to make sure that you guys understand one thing. I have the truck for almost 2 years now. It's gonna be 2 years in June. That's kind of the main thing you have to keep in mind, because I'm not here to brag about anything I did with this truck. This truck was a combination of hard work, mindset, I would say, because since I got the truck, and if you guys go back to my videos, you're gonna see that I always wanted something like this. I always want something different, and I always had the picture in my mind, but I knew that would cost too much money to get at that point. So with that being said, I started thinking about it and I put a plan on place that I could save money, and I knew exactly the right time to do it. So I am not here to brag about it. I'm just here to say that I did. If I did, you also can do. Doesn't matter your job. Doesn't matter. Maybe it's gonna take longer. Maybe it's gonna take less time. Doesn't matter. I just want to say that you can do. All right. With that being said, let's go to the cost. So again, Rough Country lift kit. I got straight from Rough Country website. Shipped to my house, free shipping. I refuse to pay shipping. So I always looking for deals that I get free shipping. Upgrade shocks, everything. $1,099 plus tax on top of it, $72.87. Grand total for the lift kit, out of the door, ship it to my house right here in front of my garage, delivered $1,172.82. So moving on to the wheels and tires, I tried to buy online, but this offset and these wheels I didn't find available anywhere online for the Colorado. What that means that I almost gave up in looking for that wheels. Actually, let me take that back. It's not the wheels, it's the offset, -44 offset. That's what I want. That's what I was looking for. They didn't have that bolt pattern for Colorado. So what I did, I reached out to many shops here in Jersey, and I found one, Mother's Performance shop, that he was able to buy the wheels and drill the holes. So it was a custom order. I could not return, so I had to be 100% sure that that's exactly what I want. So with that being said, each wheel cost me $336, and that's again 20 by 12, -44. If we're going smaller or if you're going bigger, your price is gonna change. For the tires, I have the hybrid tires, which is not mud tire and is not all-terrain tire. The hybrid, I can definitely go off-road with this tire with no issue at all, and it just makes sense for me because, to be honest, I drive 97% of the time on the road, so makes sense getting the hybrid. The hybrid, each tire cost me $340. So I had to pay tax on top of each tire and the wheels. Tax out of the door, $185. So that's just for wheels and tires. Now speaking about the labor, so as you guys know, I mentioned here many times, I try to do that by myself, but I was watching many videos, I was reading about it. I thought, you know what, I can do it, I would do it. First thing I thought about, wait, I don't have the right tools for it. That was the problem number one. Problem number two, the truck would be sitting here in my driveway for probably, I don't know how long, because I don't know how, you know, how much time it would take if I was doing by myself. I was like, you know what, it's suspension, it's something really important, let me pay somebody to do it. So I started to do my research, and the average price people are charged can start low as $900 and go up to $1,500. Yeah, some people charge me $1,500 to get the lift installed. With that being said, I found the guy, and you guys probably saw. If you didn't see it, make sure to watch my videos when I took the lever of the truck and when I took the truck back. You're gonna see Thompson Racing Motorsports. He was the one that did all the work, and the reason why I chose him, it's because he was able to get everything done at once. Everything, I mean, he mounted my wheels and tires, he installed the lift kit, he did all the cutting that needs to be done, everything you can imagine, alignment, everything. So the truck was ready to go when it left his shop. So with that thing, he charged me $1,200, and that would be $100, but because I asked for, like, you guys can see here, right? I think you guys can see here, that's the cutting, and there's another cuttings that we did on the other side, of course, but it was worth too big to fit his machine, so we need to kind of arrange things so he could mount my wheels. So that cost me another $200. That's why $1,200. I think the average you would pay for a rough country lift kit, which is average at 10 hours installation with the right tools and everything, I would say $1,000. I paid $1,200 because, as I said, we got more stuff done. Well, that was everything I got just for the lift kit, wheels and tires, all the kind of stuff. I have more stuff. I have the cover, I have the bed liner, I have more stuff, but I'm not gonna cover this right now. Maybe in the future I'm gonna make another video just with how much I spent so far with my truck, because here I want to keep short just for people who wants to know how much it costs to lift a truck, especially a Colorado. The total, wheels and tires, lift, labor, everything.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Keep waiting. Wait for it.
$5,262.
See, now we talk.
Yeah, that's how much I spent to make my truck look like this. Of course, I have more stuff. I have the grill, I have the light bar, I have way more stuff than just the lift and the wheels and tires. But I knew from the beginning the lift and wheels and tires would be the most expensive thing that I want to do with this truck. I mean, I'm not saying that I don't want to do anything performance wise, which is a lot of money as well, but I knew this would change so much the truck that I knew that I want to get done. And as I said, I was saving money for a long period of time, almost a year and a half saving money to get this done. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It kind of was way too much talk, but I think it was worth it because I want to help you guys, especially with Colorado. You know, it's hard to find somebody. I did that. I was like, dude, I need somebody who, you know, let me know exactly how much that costs, and I want to be that guy for you guys. I want to help you guys. And that's not the end. That's not the end. Just keep that in mind. I have coming. I have a lot of stuff. As you guys just heard, I have a lot of stuff coming to the truck, so stay tuned. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe, make sure to smash that like button, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Here, I'll leave somewhere here. All the links for everything I got to the truck are on the description below, so make sure to, you know, if you need something, whatever it is, I'm gonna leave the link for wheels, tires, everything. So just make sure you grab yours. If you have any question, you can leave your comment below or send me a DM on Instagram. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next week for sure. And don't forget, enjoy your life.